Now let's check in on the top business story of the day, because it seems the tech sector sell-off is not just about Facebook's data scandal anymore. Other tech stocks are taking a massive tumble, leaving investors worried. Jameson Berkow joins us from BNN. Good morning, Jameson.
Good morning, Brandon.
So talk to me. It seems like it continues to happen, not just with Facebook, but other tech giants.
Well, they're also collecting a lot of data on their users, and users had, for a while, been okay with it, not so much anymore. It kind of speaks more broadly to this issue of this new and disruptive, either a technology industry or, you could go back through history of any other industry that has sort of changed the game, where in the early days, they're allowed to get away with whatever they want. They take that data, they use it for whatever purposes. Now, not so much. And I think we actually saw that yesterday when Quebec said they're going to start taxing Netflix and Amazon. That was, of course, just a small issue, but I think it's indicative of the fact that regulators, investors, and especially advertisers aren't just going to accept whatever the Facebooks and the Amazons and the Googles of the world say are going to be the terms of our relationship. We're going to start to see a pushback now, and while that may not see us, have Facebook be a MySpace moment or anything like that, it could very well mean that Facebook ain't worth as much as it used to be.
Shout out to MySpace, remember that. So how do these tech giants bounce back from this?
They may not. I mean, that's the real challenge here, right, Brandon? Is that for the huge rally we've seen in stocks more broadly, tech stocks have been leading that. If they're going to be able to continue with a broad market-based rally, most investors say it's probably going to have to come from somewhere else.
Wow. Thank you, Jameson. We appreciate you being here this morning.
It's my pleasure, Brandon.
All right, for all your top business news, keep it locked on BNN.